Kuramjari ma'am, I can see ma'am the Kinum Hajageko. Akwai Manipuri Ram Damjada Mikala Leriko, I gi some land bakot pay mings in a Tagalak Paja, video do a post or I mediano medianata brojo I come there. I don't have any knowledge about it. Adobu me on the Kranung Shiba, I buminu Shibamayamna, I on the Hariko, Echal Licypriya, see Nangi mings in a sees my video Tagale College, Mana post or I naging during there I come to see Matanga. But I na hiding it, ma'am, the clarify to me. Some clarification on the jungle pot neko. Single singing under the cartade, and this will be my last clarification also. A quickie, I see had the video tagalapa karalaiko, ya poster. Though I so hiding it, no, I on the interview to my door is always open. I give the luggage allow interview to allow. I cannot guide it. Nobody is stopping you. I give public the Jumia making number. I don't have any problem with that. I email Faktoga, you see, I invitation to Karamano Carino, Kamana, I am the Pangi Holido. I'm making a proof to Ella because I know I am the boy in Alamba, Arang by Nakagino. Why would I spread fake news? I do the Wangang or the college. I know Mam Ginatra, Tabak Bija. And also, whenever I'm doing something good for this society, I money for the Maktora. Mam, you come and Tabak Mam to it. I know money for Gimiam, students Gimiam, children Gimiam, people Gimiam, get the Macarena that Trotoja. I don't have a tabak team in a potorak Davida. I will have the tabak to Jagino. A quick money for that, and no problem, Jaije. Unity drama like that, that's out of the topic. Me jama pub a pub tabak to Akanda. Support the vida, in Katihona Davidana. I don't have to Nabama Toiko. So, what I'm trying to say is that I give the lao interview to get it out loud, I can on the kaide. I do go quick brother Amadorico, Yam Kangani Joda Haikujam. I do I'm hiding it, brother. I'm not affiliated with the NGOs. I on the program invite I on the invitation slide direct United Nations taginiko. Aduga brother na jo make the sumat harije I am no ite hi tare. Nana you want the chakki chalu. It's none of my business. Chakki chalu chakki chaning ready chakano. I don't have any words or comment to say on that. Aduga quick jo brother amaleriko brother joda haiku jamna. Mana haji kana kinom tawriko. I am jealous kaba male aidagi. I don't know, jealous from a 13-year-old girl child. I don't know how does that make sense. Maji I'm senseless oi hai tare and way behind his brain, way behind his mind. And as he's jealous, man jo kinom ta he's misleading. Mana na a quickie mana spread to misinformation. Mana aibu hat na bagita bakta. Aibu sum agi aina to iba thabak chibu stop lephan na bagita makta. And I would like to say is that aibu NGOs ma'am I naga hantag UN ga ma'am chali je. I naga UN gi bato niyan to direct UN dagine. Adu invitations ma'am jo fake na hairo adu ma hairo sida ai yung dalaw. Ging ulaw. Ki fake na ta bro. Ani UN da wangang bro ngang da bro. Adu UN da hantag wangang da hadi UN ji da bu. Ai na ai post da ida thagal do link na training ga bro ga to ida. Adu link to bu fake na hai ba bro ne. UN gi official link to bu ai speech yaw ina du da. Ai yung dalaw. Ai no da video thabi ge. Aseng ba na ta bro. Aseng ba na ta di na UN gi office chalo jo. Ya du bu khang di ai no da takpi ge. Ai no kai de da. Ang brother kai nom kai de. And also at the end nang ayon da bo post story just yung mathabag to I am pinom hai tare. I am no idea because at first COVID ki matamda. Try to remember nang nabo ayon da paura phone tawra ga hari do ke ai iyam bas hanjoy bu sum sidore na akoi COVID ki oxygen change na hari do. And then what happened was next ay na kay tawi na nangi iyam bas hanjoy ki damakta nangi family ki damakta ay no oxygen thai ne from Delhi to Manipur ngasi thar ga hayeng yaw gi bapot ni ko adu ka bigano I saved his life. And I was very young at that time. Apaba thabak to organ adu di yeng dabida apata to wujud de. I know misinformation to orga I know the was him dalaga by jumbling all these words na misinformation spread to jika in society jida. And I don't care. Nana I don't have any business with you going to UN or not. Chaning chalu chaning token chaning to. I don't care. I don't give a damn. Do what you want. And amuka hajage I make the doubt clarity for whatever I'm doing. Just come to my home. I the BBC, Reuters, international media. I am wangang rabane, live to wangang rabane. I know YouTuber macha ako yung Manipur da bu wangang babu interview to bu ay nakikikito no. Why would I be frightened? Why would I be scared? And also ako CC ako churan chan por da ay na mi amda tatni ga lauto ki ba do. Mana do ma fake ka hari do. Yang tabi ada mga tane ko. I have my reasons. I do reasons kang da bida pang tapa misleading words hi jika man to ino. Kang da di ayon da law ayon da phone to si man to ino koli no hi ba abane ko. And I na chatri do because I have my reasons and let me tell you why. It's because of the government. When ayon da yadrin chala na ba churan chan por da. The government stopped me from going there. Intelligence kay kaigi matang wato mindaraga. Adu nga na I didn't want it to cause any drama. Ay drama sagad ning nga dina. Ay am sagad pe. But I didn't want it to have any of that. And as a child, I want peace. Ako'y Manipur ki hantag lang ke thoki baje. Ay na mating pang gi baje mayam gi damakta. Ya handa ako'y ki medical camp churo. Adung bapha bathabak nyam tora kanda. Adu dinging bida siyong ba misleading nyam words soy je kay gino. Adu hantag ki video je ay last clarification ne. Sida gi matungay na ayam to toro oy. And if you want me to clarify something, come to my house. I do hantag exam toroga. I've been very busy. I'm still a student. Adu ka Hanbiganu. Adu ka jealous ka ba mi mi amni kay daw ni. Adung hatok na bathabak daw ni. Ay angang ro adu ro. But please remember, because of you people, many people, muy kung baja, siyong batorga, hatok na batorga, atong toy ko. Ado ka, ay kay nung tahay jage ko, ako'y gi magi post sa jo, UFO gi maramda yawi ko. Si, UFO gi maramda, ay nagi hangya hango, ay di kay nung kaide. But the truth will come from their mouth only. So, based magi from where it's arrived, ado to na hangbiu, mo gi UFO gi Secretary General dadum hangbiu, mana dum seng Wafam dadum harani. So contact them. Don't just contact me. Not rushing behind ngati. Aduga amo kay no khangde yuan gi website chi mo fake mo haradi ay naga hajik special envoy ga ore ako gi Jose Ramos sorta president of East Timor. Adu mo fake oy mo haro. Unbelievable. Very senseless. Anyways, I don't care. I will continue doing my work. Ay na may amgi habat-habak to ije. Adum kana ay adum honar pirakke. But ay amutang kahajage ko. If it reaches to a point, amo point reach to kanda. Yam hinjin bahay tare. May am no ero, mi khara no ero. Yam to kanda. Maybe something will stop me from doing the work. Ay na may am kita magtatabak kami am to ije. Ay lep ki bayay. But for now, I won't, obviously, because I care about, ay ishagi imale bak mo, anong shire? Ado ba sinong shiba bije? Ay na sinong shire? May am na yung dabuhat na bagita magta, sinong shiba je? For a second, I forget all of these. So try not to make that happen. Ado ka, yeah, imale bak man ipunay, Fred. Let's try not to, try not to make people who are trying to do work for a good cause, let's try not to, backstab them. Mabu, hatok na ba? Ginamakta. Ado dahil just dagilo siya lagi. You're always free, open to interview me. I don't have any problem. Ay nasa Japan. Thank you, ma'am.